Motherfucker. Father fucker. Friend fucker. Sister fucker.
It's me again, Jah, as I go on my knees to pray. Help me, God, I pray. I don't wanna get carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I go on my knees to pray. Help me, God, I pray. I don't wanna get carried away. What's up, Speak My Mind family? Blessings, happy Friday. Boy, me I tell you, the week and the year just a fly, so it's like remembering 2 Friday ago like yesterday. Trust me, the week them just a blew away. Who remember what day when the holiday, when we get the Monday and me I say boy rotted, it coming like a 3 day in this a week. Now just yesterday me say that and watch your Friday this again. Plus me did say one Friday what day. No sir. Anyway, as me say, it's me again, Jah. Yes, man, I'm down on my knees to pray. I just don't want to get carried away. People, me see this old granny slut granny. Hard feel look pan. We look like she a deteriorate. Every part of her fading away. Not even her ears them can hold the ears ring them. Her nose worse, not to mention her lip. This big old with her tongue in her mouth. Like she don't realize that she come of age now. So if she even having these things when she young, it's time to do away with them and act her age. But because she's a big grand slut, you understand? Yes. It's like she can't find her age. And remember, it's not like she's searching for a young one. But the fitting age for her is not her present age. Our fitting age is above our present age. We above our present age, but she can't find it. Because in the back of her head, she's still young. And because she used to do so much filthy, dirty things like take her daughter man. And feel proud of it to come into phone and social media and talk about it. She feel like her lifestyle is okay. And because that dirty, filthy lifestyle that she live. And it is not even long ago. It's just a couple of years. And if you calculate that couple of years, she was not a young girl. So it's in her old days, all of that what she do will reveal. So just imagine the years before where we never know her in a social media, the type of doggish mentality life where she used to live. You just imagine. You understand? And she have the heart to come in a phone from what they hear her with this argument. And this is why these people, she is one of them who I have way below the gutter. She's way below a sewage plant. Way below a sewage plant. So to show you how filthy she are. From what you may hear, she depend Dana, and be Dana, this, Dana, that, everything, everywhere Dana turn. The pastor argument, Dana. The prophetess argument, Dana. Everything, Dana. And she have this dirty argument because, probably, because she's refused by so many men, that she have to turn to take her daughter man and feel proud of it. Because probably he was so pumped up and the daughter could not afford to give him what he want on that occasion, so she filled the spot. This woman have this dirty argument talking about the woman that use O's and they have O's. Can you imagine a big ass woman like she, who is almost great grandmother slut grandmother? You understand? Can have the heart and the strong feelings to come out here behaving like this where the woman is concerned, or any other woman, any given woman is concerned. And then you dirty, nasty, filthy ladies out there, not a lady, gal out here, like to run into people, comment and talk. You same one who support all that she, the bore up one with the Asian them left her skin because she had deteriorate. You understand? Them they even word for me to call them name. On the same one to come and talk about people who is talking about certain things and putting up blockage against certain negative things. What go on? Want to come out against us when we talk and talk about, especially women, and talk about it's all about women. This. But only not see these big ass growing non-progressive element. Well, they America for how much years them behavior in a phone. Wanna go up on them platform and support them. Because it's all good and well for woman to tear down woman, or it is all good and well for who you like or who you support to do whatever, and it's no problem you play a blind eye to it. But when somebody come out here and see all these crap that you not go on with in a phone, and people them want to support are going with a phone and we talk, want to jump up like on a Jigsy King of family, want to just a real up so. The woman just depend the woman name from what day, and the woman now give her no knowings. You understand? And me I go ask the question again, just as well, you know, I'm leave it alone, you know, because them say, what don't concern you, nigga? Leave it alone. So, me I go do that. Me always say it, so me I go do it. Me I go leave it alone. Because I don't know. This woman can have so much authority to do what she do. But me I go leave it alone. But as me I say, if you're a big ass woman, come on man, check yourself man. If you blog, you blog. If you take up something and dissect, you dissect. If you have your own opinion towards something, no problem, you come out here and talk. Make who feel like you're biased, say you're biased something. But this behavior that you're going below and keep repeating, it's not like you even say it on a one-off basic and you're just done with it. You make it look like say, are you are the O's. You giraffe looking body. You coming like you make it look like a you are the O's. So you are sure of what you are talking about. Me sure no Dana never let you up in her bathroom yet. She never let you in her house yet. I am sure of that. Because I would have seen it. Because she never dare let you in her house. And you not go up on camera. So we see say you go up in the house. So oh you know so much of this woman using hose which part she use. If she want to use hose which part she want to use it. Not true she have some if you use it. Unlike you not even dildo no want to see you. You have a few where you claim to say you have and you can't use them because them refuse you. Can you imagine? You're using a dildo and the dildo not give no sensation. And if you even take a man, it still not give none. You know there's something wrong with you. And that's why you worry about Dana crutches and where she want to put the from where she don't want to put the woman. Good God man, it don't sound good man. That is no form of blagging, sagging, dagging. That is more than going personal. And if me say if it was a young person, not of your age, that say all this, it would have bad and not so bad. You understand? It would have bad and not so bad. But look at your age. Somebody will want to friend the woman so much. You understand? Somebody will want to friend the woman so much. What? Because has been rejected by the woman, where the woman going to so much chance after not knowing from nowhere. I want to try to come in her fame, to get some glory from her fame, and messed up, effed up, and the woman separate, go no back chance, and still mess up and F up again. Just feel like say this is what for the universe I ride pan the woman back, and at the same time I ride pan her back. I try to take her off her foot. Realize how go drop to. Her back on the pan I try to take her off her foot. I just expect the woman to accept every time, man. And when the woman refuse and decide say okay, fully reject now. This is the outcome and the behavior of Uno, no matter what age Uno is. Look at you now. You look at you now. You have so much skeleton in your closet and social media. So many skeleton in your closet on social media. And you have the heart to come out and cuss people and tell people things. Eh? And you come out and come accept taking your daughter, man, you know. Remember, you're not a royal family, you know, they're nowhere near the royal family. You know, they're nowhere near the tribe or the what do they call it now? You have another name. Alright, it's not in the area now, it's gone. But you're not that type of person if you say, boy, I want to keep it in the family. You were just filthy, dirty, and nasty. That's why you do what you do. You understand? And because you realize it's like nobody else wants you. And probably that man was hide a night there waiting for your daughter. And then because she didn't turn up quick enough, you just seduce him. You don't have the authority and the audacity to come out here, come deal with nobody on social media that way how you deal with people, man. You have some rotten skeleton and a fresh skeleton, a rotten skeleton you have in your closet, lady. Rotten skeleton. Good God, man. Stop and check yourself, man. Check your age and check yourself. Your behavior not good. This is not below the belt. This is below which part you there. Like sewage. Escape sewage underground. You escape from the sewage plant itself and a soak underground. That is where you is, and that is where you try to drag people. The sewage plant have a leak, and because it have a leak, the water soak underground. So as me say, it's worse than the sewage itself in the plant. Because your soak gone underground to show you how far below you is the real sewage up here, so. No authority or audacity, man, to come out and come talk how you talk towards the woman. Every day you get up with this hose argument. Hose. She push hose up in her yourself. She push a hose. What does she want to push hose? She push hose and I feel a sensation. You not feel nothing at all. You understand? You're not feeling anything at all. Every section, every part I deteriorate from you. Every part, every section I deteriorate. That's why you can't feel nothing. Speak my mind, family. I don't know what to do, you know. I know she may come out, you know. I don't really come out nobody. I just come to play one video. But I just tell myself that I have to do this because I come across one video today and I said, "Yo, I don't even want to play. The video is so disgusting. Just sit looking at this woman where Jesus Christ. Woo. The woman looks so insipid. Shit. You're so insipid, woman. Jesus Christ. Have mercy upon her. Hallelujah. Oh. Ah. I say when I look on the woman, I want to do the video, I start prepare myself to say me I go play her, and I say no, I can't stand this. Despite me not going to see her, I just her voice I go play people. I just couldn't do it because listening to the voice is that me I see her. I just couldn't do it, people. I couldn't do it. The woman insipid, she look insipid and she is insipid, boy. I tell you. That's why I sit down and I pass them, you know, people. And I don't see them, I hear them, you know. People go there and say, so wait, oh, you not say nothing about she and she talk about Dana. Oh, you not say nothing. I know all of the bungle I want to pull. This is a rubbish truck, yeah? It not take up certain and certain rubbish. It barely want to take up the one them wait to take up much, so you got to take up them there. Uptown, this is a rubbish truck at work. You know, when you go uptown, the rubbish them bag up in a bag and daddy. Yes. Me not go down a Coronation Market after Saturday market day. Right back into Sunday morning, go take up them type of sewage rubbish there. All cabbage water and all them sit there. Me not take up them type of rubbish there, people. So please me I beg you, when you don't hear them sitting there, no question why me not come out or even send them to me. Me not have a problem if you don't send them to me, because if you don't send them to me, I feel like yes, me want to talk about it. Me come out come talk like how me I talk now, but me not go play them. Trust me. Oh, me just be that my skin feel cranny just by talking. Me dem not see her. God know me dem not see her. Me not have nothing with her, yeah, me not play nothing with her. But just by talking, I know she me I talk about. Me feel cranny and me just come from the bathroom. Jesus Christ. Anyway, people, we don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, I hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. And the extended part of Life is a Mission TV is over on TikTok. Go over there, please. Like the videos when you go over there, and make sure you follow over there. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy, she need 99 more now, just as I come in on this video. She gone to 901, need 99 more. It'll come 1-1. And I feel like if you don't come 10, it done quicker before even the year ready for done. And just make sure you have the 1000. The link in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube channel. And remember, you ask sorry to get it, the cash app is there, $, Charms and Trends. And please remember, it's a season for giving gift. Give a meaningful gift. And the best place to stop is Charms and Trends. Anything you see on the business page, you can get it customized. Charmed _and_ trends on Instagram. Drop in at the DM for further information. You can go straight to the website charmsandtrends.shop. Anything you see, you get it customized to your liking, whatever color. If you want your husband, your wife picture, you want your married picture, your anniversary picture, anything, your child, anything you want. From a wine cup, tea cup, tumblers, buckles, phone cases, key rings, accessories, anything you see over there. Customize. Anyway, people, me could get into this. Boy, I tell you. Sure. Wanna give me a minute, I'm cool off. I still feel like me feel cranny. I should go to the bathroom. I will rinse off back. Rinse off that. You know. Anyway, I could just do what I do and done with it. Like, good about my vibes, I'm about to want to do the video. Oh! Woo! Oh. Gosh. Big old woman like you. All about your bore up. A full time if you take out them all for dirty bore up using them now. You know, see them a fall from your ears. Fall from your nose and all about. What's so much I know you could have all for your rotten clit? Eh? What's so much I know you have for your rotten clit? For night time, all you have to probably do is sit down and hold the ring them where you have for your clit and drag them and play with them, you know. That's all. If you feel some type of way, because you can't feel no way. You past human stage, you're not human no more. So you're hard to have a feelings. People, Marcia come out. And she denied her son wanted by the cops. And me I tell you, she dip up on us 360 boy. She diss him up. But I don't know, most of the things that she say, I wish she say every day. Because she don't really have nothing much, nothing new. But she got along with herself. And she realized that she must play with the support of them, because boy, me a 360 I play one video since there, and you know him call her ID system. And the people them have fix Marcia over there to win, man. Me I tell you, them fix her bad. But she has stand up in the Gideon as she stand and face it, because you don't know she brave, you know. And then she got ball behind closed door. Because remember, be a closed door she have, you know. She don't have no door open. So I don't know how she going to reach at heaven. And how she going to get the answer to Father God, because be a closed door she have. So I'm going to make she play. I want to listen. I don't have much to say, but you don't know me have to do what I do, because of YouTube guideline. I just make on hear what I want. When me really come to say, me say it a while ago, in the first part. So I want to listen.
You don't deserve it. All of them that have no contents.
You're going to get some refreshment.
Why come up and I dig up old same thing with my son. We're gone from long time. And dirty drunk boy, let me tell you something. You're over there talking and support my son. Will you think that ought to shape me? Eh? No girl can't left my son and no woman can't left my son. Number one, them the something the way I read, not go so. Them the something the way I talk, nothing now goes. So my son get arrested for simple things. And your blood clot know that.
Marcia.
And if my son do that to the girl,
Hold on, Marcia, hold on. When you said your son get arrested for simple things, what is simple things? I am not familiar with American laws, but what is simple thing, Marcia? Based on what is on the record, that cannot be simple things, Marcia. Domestic violence, violence against women, where you come to Jamaica come march about. You can tell me, say, you come to Jamaica come march that and you are called this simple thing, especially into America. You say you come here come march violence against women, and you are going to say this is simple thing? Come on, Marcia. Plus all these fraud things that your son mix up in with credit card, those are simple things, Marcia. Come on. Simple things are like one like a traffic violation, Marcia. I want like a cuss and tangling go on and man decide to call police and police come and what. That's a simple thing. Nothing in this is no simple thing, Marcia. Remember now you come to Jamaica, you say you left foreign, come to Jamaica, come march violence against women, So if a simple thing, why you left Jamaica to come march? Make that make sense?
I want him there in New York City 2 days ago when he arrowed me. If my son was a woman, why she continue to live with him same way? Why she continue to be around him same way? If my son was a woman, I want him and the baby there in New York City.
Nuts and fruits.
2 days ago. Eh? We are talking about.
Nobody come tell us a process food.
Did the two of them left and gonna wear? You can't business with young people fight. You know when people are write up report. You know nothing. You know when woman hungry. You can't take you know when woman hungry and wants fight somebody. My son look like same if friend woman. My son a girl is my woman can't get any blood clot woman he want. And if me not like the daughter-in-law, me not like the daughter-in-law. And she alone can't breathe and have blood clot picnic. He can't fuck any girl and get picnic in the day.
Make this make sense now, people. This is a woman who brag and boast every day on the ear in her phone. She leave Jamaica, leave America, come to Jamaica, come march and make her voice be heard. And KILLING against children and domestic violence against women. But here our son involved in something like that into America, where the records are there, but it seems to be nothing to her. So you see me I try to show you, just like in social media, your favorite personality do certain things, it's not a problem to you. But if somebody else do it, it's a problem. You understand? Just like a little scenario when I say I go on over TikTok, which a lot of people use it as an example. Swiftly come out with a little clothesline or try a little thing. Me see how much of the man them over TikTok naked pan live, I show them belly, I show them chest. Just like come there so now in my house, out to go on my bed. I'm there. What's the difference in wear t-shirt and it catch him somewhere else, so them say crop top. Them start labeling. You understand? Them start labeling, and then now him come out in defense of himself and him go say something about poor people and whatsoever. And them even not go at him even harder. But I am saying, you see when you're youth and you rise to stardom, you have to be careful. Because people just sit down and wait to see your downfall. People just sit down for pray upon you. And guess who the people that are pray upon you? The same people that the man talk about. People in a poverty and poor. You understand? Because guess what you know? A day they come from. And you sit down amongst enough of them and hear them talk. And you think within yourself you're going to say, Jesus Christ. Because you might not that type of person there, but you get around them as friends and colleagues, you hear them talk and you say, whoa. So when I get my break, I saw them going to do me. And that is the message what him a try to get across. Them start make it look like, oh, Chima angle look money now and him this and him that. Them start bash poor people. The man not bash poor people. But it's always them same set of people there. Try to carry you down. The same set of people you them in the slum. But you get the break before them. And it's like them don't want to see that. This is what I talk about from what you on TikTok and all from the channel, yeah. You understand? So we all know you got hear none of the Strat them, or you got hear none of the Azan them, or you got hear none of the Matalan them, or you got hear none of the Hendrix them sit down and talk about Switzerland. Even go lower than that, you now got hear some normal rich people who might not have a big name sit down and talk about Switzerland. Who you expect to talk about Switzerland? The same sort of people where the man talk about, but people just jump to conclusion and misinterpret what the man say. Some of them know exactly what the man say, but because them want to use what him say against him, them interpret it the way where them want to interpret it and bash him. If you now wear the man crop top, you just now wear it. Me wouldn't wear it. But that not say me I go bash it. A whole heap of other style me say come down to Jamaica yeah, where me wouldn't wear. And some of them we are bashing. Them wear them. And as me I say, them a label the man and a bash the man. And me see man they on TikTok brawling with a joke or no joke. I tell man what him want to do to him. Him want to drop him this, him want put him so, him want to lay him so, him want to do all kind of things. You understand me I say to you? So come on man. You want to do better than that man.
No woman now come come disrespect my picking and no
So
man.
I must say that now.
If my son do all them that's other something
Everything
here.
is
If you
okay.
want a man and a man now treat you good, left him blood clot. Left him.
Here are poor excuse now.
You don't run back at him said we left him. Them are young people come out of blood clot, young people.
Just listen to poor excuse, you know, people. I don't want to listen to poor excuse. Because probably two the man and the woman still there together. She ever said the man will do what him do. Hey, me see man and woman. Man do woman some and tomorrow morning at them that. Or when she go up a station the night, tomorrow morning at them that. You have woman to control man. No matter what she do, it's like the man can't go. And you have man to control woman just the same. No matter when do her, she just can't go or not go. So me don't know what you are talking about.
Your body man wanna. I'm gonna make him go tell if he go come straight before he go have blood clot hell. And that if he go do, every day get up on my son. So if my son in a door hall me start something there, then should I talk my son because two of them must get a same fucking way, same way. Same way when the incident happened, as my son get arrested and come off in the foolishness and whatever, the next day two of them live together same way. So if that was the case, how is it that 2 days ago it told them that we accident?
People, how much time when I say toxic relationship? People, the couple can't agree, them war and still together.
Him and his grandfather.
Me see woman go lock up all
What you
man
think say me talk to him on the phone?
and turn on a ball. And
So
the station
why you
door wait
talking
for him to get bail and she just lock
You
him
don't
up.
want to go on like
So when
say,
you say a foolishness,
when incident happen in a household, like say no take two for tangle. You think say my son go up so fi go
so all them march when you come down come march and a two take with
Me
angle.
know my son will do from where we do. You have to trigger off my son and trigger him off. And me man, and we are
How you know where your son will do from where your son won't do? How much years your son grow up around you? How much time you spend around your son? Come on. What you mean? You can't know what your son will do from where he won't do. Because you say your son must be 28 or 26. And I don't think you spend 3 years around him. So what you mean you know what your son will do from where your son won't do? Move. You just are defending because of your one and only pitney. And you feel like say boy, and you should be out and you bring him coming. So you're supposed to stand behind him no matter what the circumstances. When you come up and march against violence against women, none of them man the way you march against are same way them parents are defend for them son. They might not come out come March, but you come out come March. But here you know, I defend where you come Jamaica come March for.
I know some man boss or whatever. Them are young people come out of blood clot young people business alone. Them are 20 years old. Come out of young people business, dirty stinking pussy clot boy. I'm gonna suck your mama. Every day you're over there. I take up people pretty picnic. And I put up picture. Who fry us with your blood clot boom by boy son. A straight picnic I look boy. With the little
I'm going to draw for the earpod. Because I'm not going to eat some more. Sorry, I never know to tell you. I'm not going to tell you to this to me now.
Him don't want you.
I do the regular words them still.
Disease, blood clot, boy, you come and talk about herpes. Every woman where you post out of social media put disease on them. The only somebody we have herpes out here, you look like herpes, you look like gonorrhea, and you look like blood clot AIDS. And you look like syphilis.
Oh,
you look like all the disease, and plus you look like a dog shit.
You're better than the lab. You're better than the lab, Marcia. You know them.
You look like
They
all
can't
the
make a money
disease.
man, a man not to go to lab. You just make him come and find him and tell him. When after when have.
You're powerless. You can't even chat on your own without you have peer careless, non-relevant blood clot girl behind you. You can't do no show by yourself. You draw for foolishness. Draw for what kind of foolishness? You draw for go look contents. Careless boy. Dead dick boy. Where you can't freak woman, you only have it near them crutch.
Oh, you know that?
Your mouth think a crutch. You need some
You talk like
penicillin
you
in
be
your
close.
blood clot and some
Oh, you know that?
juice and bleach. That's all you walk around and suck count. And you're getting dead. And because you want me pussy, you can't get it going.
Were you there? Are you talking
But
about
you
earset?
dead dick. We have here use false thinking on the woman. All of the walk around and near amount of man cunt will live somewhere.
Were you there?
You can't
Or
chat
earset you take?
about my son. No, not all you can't chat. Him not have nothing on the record significant more than fool nothing. Him is American blood clot citizen. And him alone jail no make the blood clot dog. And
Oh,
if him do
so
the time,
he's
if him do the
American
crime, him
citizen.
pay blood clot time. We
Him
learn
free
this.
to do what he want to
We
do.
the right
Okay.
thing. You can't chat about my son. Me rather my son got jail blood clot 20 times than to blood clot go back way.
But going to jail so regular you might end up go back with your side way.
Take
Like
that.
crab. So be careful.
And rich people go there.
Be careful. Going to jail regular you might end up not only go back with you but side way like crab.
So no name it, no dead dick boy can't chat to me. The thinking mouth, your mouth stink. Everybody will grow their mouth think. Go use some of your YouTube money go fix your ill and gully blood clot dirty teeth they we have there. You can't chat nobody. Or record. Drugs dealer boy, where you get your blood clot record expunge. Back in the days when you have big blood clot drugs dealer, when you sitting in a one for your queens and now you mash up like a blood clot crackers. You have to come on Facebook and suck girl and a call on phone and a sweetheart them. You can't you dig dead and only your little tongue where you have in the mouth, you can't even use it because you can't even chat on it long, you have to call a dirty girl them to go cuss me. Because you have blood clot man too. You just see a draw scratch away too brief boy.
So man say, what me I say? Knowing so much for a man like 360 where you come out for, we always come out with your file, not just talking, but the evidence. If you know so much, why you not have your evidence? It should be a good and a good battle and a good showdown. But you just come talk, it's cuss. This man make sure when him come him have your evidence, him have your file. Whether a fraud, but something is there on paper for sure, or on phone for sure. So I tell you all of them something here. Why you never make them get the evidence? where you know say you can have substantial evidence to back up what you say. Just like when the man come for you, him have your evidence on file. That all when it goes so, you can't believe, you're surprised, you have to deny, say, no, I know my man that, I don't him that. My man not look so. I already see a man. Eh?
You that him have no clothes. Be an independent woman, me take care of myself. You have a so crutch, you have somewhere room for your head. So crutch, boy. You have to walk on a so crutch, your walk list no blood clot. You are nobody. You can't walk in my blood clot, son, no time at all. You could have got jail blood clot 10 times American, this American pick them in got jail when they want to go blood clot jail.
Well taken care of by the American government. In that special cell and special bed, special treatment, he's American.
You can't chat nobody. All the contents. You ain't down to me blood clot food, a little dirty pussy clot boy and put pan in front of your page. Where you put my food back up in page? You have something here? You have kitchen for cooking?
Man say your food look like shh.
Me eat my breakfast this morning. Buy up on the YouTube channel. Wow. Me nice, beautiful grits. I've been tin mackerel and have for breakfast. And take it put pan in front page. What where you criticize?
Why do you contract to advertise tin mackerel?
Let me see where you see. Let me see where you know.
Lazy and lazy, you know. At least you can't cook and on the laziness you can't cook.
Broke pocket, blood clot.
So you have to work with the flash out.
Today. All my check from last week, no penny it. Plus this one here.
Wow.
Last week paycheck don't even penny it. And this one here come. And you are run up here.
Y'all have money, man.
You ain't nobody. You ain't nobody. You can't talk about
And
nobody.
it's something that for you know, if you get piano, touch it, you know, till another paycheck come touch it, you know. Come catch it, you know. But what proof you have on that?
You can't look on my blood clot handsome son and a girl no fight over my son. This is my son blood clot handsome. And nice like a blood clot woman. What you expect? You're busy with young people things.
Hey. I know a man, you know. Him did meet in a one accident and get one big money. Couple million well. I mean, I tell you, if you see the man, him not have nothing name looks. But some pretty girl will swarm him. You see when the money done, I gone, them gone. But didn't know another one. Most of them will come from Jamaica where they live at Portmore. We're supposed to hear after incident here. Where the man light him Lexus pan in car porch. Yes man. Light him Lexus pan the car porch. Them did mash him up a foreign. Where after I mean I tell you, I think me King Kong will look so. And when you see some pretty woman cock up in a fiend car, if him did ever normal and not have nothing in a life, them they know as much as being bad eye, much as a cock up in a car. I 3-4 of them and I fiend all of them. Like him a live king life. You see when it happen when him light him Lexus in the car porch and one bag of sitting, cause like him start get Which part of them there? Which part of them there? So like you know, 3 or 4 mama you talk about girl run him down and girl this and girl that. Cause you're a pitney, you have him say him look good and him alright. Or when him favor one of the worst animals in the zoo, you're gonna say him look good and you're a child. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. And all them the galleries should talk to them the 2 ugly man that I tell you about, tell them say them good looking. You understand? Tell them say them good looking. All the girls them tell them say them good looking. Because why? You know why? The spoils.
You're busy with that young people business for your seed. You know, blood clot friend, you get him. We are mingle in my son life. Did I blood clot friend on your bumbo clot brother then? Did I freak your daddy? Are your daddy blood clot seed? What the bumbo pussy clot you come in my business for? And my son. We have follow back him for him. Should I shit in your blood clot out? With your little liar So say what you want to say. I don't give one rose. I will take off my blood clot son until the last breath out of my pussy clot body.
Yeah, me know.
No blood
And because
clot
of your
can
son, so no matter what you do. I can say the same thing when you come march or that your son I do. But it is okay with you. Your left foreign come to Jamaica come march or something. Right? There you talk about it. But no, your son I do the same thing and you are back him. Are your son? That's why most son will come and talk about a group or this or this and I don't look around you know.
I know how woman stay. And I know how subculture stay too. I want to know say when blood clot woman have one of a light skin, them won't get them people get the blame. We don't know subculture already. When people hungry, come out of young people as the bongo blood clot boy. I go suck your mama a shot to 360. Every day you take up my son. I have my son pan picture and a chat who the blood clot. You look at TV, bumper clot, with team charity money and God Jamaica help school and what you help school. This school ban your blood clot, your drug addict motherfucker. You can't cuss the body. You can't talk about the body pitney. You can't talk about the body pitney. It's a damn shame you come out worry about my pitney. Where you're one day. What's about your pitney? Where is yours? You can't take up your pitney. I put by your blood clot in. Go take up your one and bumper clot pitney. About your pitney. We are have my good and good looking son and some son.
Then you go find out anything you want to find out, go to him and come take it tell him. You don't say you have links all about. Question man and find out about field pitney and take it tell him. Remember your name big deal you know. Plus your man run yard and abroad you know. So yes sir. The two will combine together, get any information you want, any paging.
Some of them, you can't talk nothing about my baby. And no found a blood clot married to murderer and blood clot thief. That's why some of them have all the things. So you can't chat nothing about my baby. Because no found a married or baby with murderer and thief. So you can't chat nothing about you. No found a day on the yard right now I get boom, I get blick, blue.
And you know do that. So where the genes they come from in him? Where the genes come from in him? Why you used to crutch into your younger master? I just ask me no know you know. Because in your days crutching is something very prevalent. Not much detection of crutching back then in the days. So I don't know if I that's where I get it from. So you used to crutch in your days. You used to crutch master? Me ask you, I not tell you. Question sign I'm asking. You used to crutch in your days? I don't know. So where the genes that him come from? Eh?
Black, bow. You know, on a blood clot, I can't do nothing about it. I want to come and chat about it. Look here, I'm going to your business. Move on a dirty blood clot from you. Every day when they get up at a look contents. Your workless pussy clot, you. Look contents. Get up every day. My ladies, I look my ladies. You want somebody push a blood clot to the partner your pussy clot out. Eh? Both liar blood clot, but you pay taxes every month and out of YouTube and Facebook money. Move your dirty bumble clot, you don't pay nothing.
Nothing.
And you don't get no tax paper until the end of the year. The only blood clot is going to pay taxes out and you don't pay nothing. You don't pay nothing.
You don't pay
Because you take
nothing.
money by drugs,
Nothing.
you know, a red car. Where you forget money that have to pay taxes. Dirty liar boy.
Yeah, same thing with you on the money man. Because you take you and go on cruise and vacation and fly come to Jamaica, come rent car too. The same thing. Patakos Keckle.
One doesn't steal, pardon. Yes,
Patakos Keckle to rock you.
I say you want all 100 woman
You see all your comment section attack the things then, but when other people comment section attack, we don't have problem. We don't have phone follower and the people them have them follower.
Go and talk about your kidney. Tell if you go soap in blood clot back door, open up like a blood clot tunnel. I ain't reached the way that life ends. Boy, your hungry belly blood clot boy. Way inside that you are rotten out.
How what's up? How we cause all of that?
Social media contact about people have disease. Me look like someone disease. Everybody you come down. You see one of a cold sore person.
Marshall, every disease show, you know.
Herpes and your blood clot out. You look like it. You don't even look healthy. Look at me. You know, see
Look at me.
rosy.
Look at me.
Look at you.
And look at you.
Certain food that make you name everything.
That's right. That's right. You name everything.
Not even know who you can't even name, but make you name everything. You have blood clot disease we are calling it by show. And I write up on your page. And then there disease, your whole blood clot page full up of herpes, syphilis and gonorrhea and blood clot hits. And then we have over there a disease. The disease then we are calling by your phone. So go check, go and line up and get to the blood clot treatment. Come and have a treatment over your phone. Friend tell me that Cheryl Bless, we used to come in your blood clot yard and near man a weekend time. When you have all the people when they used to them on your truck. You have all the Batman in your yard now weekend. Cheryl Bless tell me so. And you're a big friend. Tell me say you have blood clot HIV.
Yes, see me I tell you, you have to be careful when you tell things, you know. You have to be careful. Because the woman even tell her so. You should come back with the woman name publicly. Can't bet say if something even goes to say she didn't know somebody's name so. Go see say true she and the woman fall out now she has set up the woman.
The man that talks you're weak. You're blood clot weak. You can't even talk but before you have to start. Oh, call my ID. Lose my ID. Move your blood clot self. You see your voice. You see your voice full of a cesspool. You can't chat about it.
Why?
That guy get no record on no pitney.
Boy, boss, I laugh after me coming at the video crying.
No bomb, but clap, but talk about no blood clot pit where they are Jamaica in a prison where they kill people.
Sir, you give me a laugh at the end of the video, boy, because me I tell him I started feeling crying.
We are walking thief and I kill people. Look how much of them get killed there. Top yours. I will find one more.
Already, that's something that master are not strange like.
I want New York City blood clot subway rock where I sleep with the night time. Go put up that. And that if you go put up. The big blood clot dirty subway.
Anyway, people, you don't know, it's a Friday. Come to the end of another video. May I beg you to bless upon yourself and stay safe. Remember, check your surrounding. Don't just left your yard and when you reach back your run, go in there. Pass your yard all 2-3 times. Rest if you drive and take a glimpse. So if you sit in it, movements where not ordinary. And when you go down the road and come back, you pass again. So when you pass again, it's somebody in there that will find them and come out and say, see how they see him there. And the man come out, then now you don't need to prepare for see if anything are going on. So be vigilant and watch your surrounding, not trust nobody. Not even your own picnic, not trust them. You don't know what to do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. It's so easy. Remember to watch the ads. Don't skip the ads, please and thanks. Don't get frustrated when I say 3, 4, 5 ads. Support your favorite channel by watching the ads. It's just for the Christmas season. Alright, come December, everything going back to square one. You don't know the festive season, everybody want to get out some commercial to advertise them things. So we are the ones that YouTube pass it on to, as you know. So instead of you see 1, 2 or 3 ads, you might see 6 ads per one video. Don't get frustrated, watch them, please and thanks. Don't skip them. Remember to continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, and please to run over on TikTok. If you have not yet follow me on TikTok, go ahead. A lot of commentary over there. You don't want to go hear me over there. Go and go follow me over there. And remember to like the video then. I want to comment also. Remember Life with Gabby and Chevy coming into this video. I check them page, them want 99 now. They have 901 199. Come on. Give them a Christmas present. Subscribe. The link in the comment section pin. The cash app is also there. $ Charms and Trends. When you give me use a gift to give back to the needy. And it's that time of the month coming up around the corner. And remember this month, different from the plans that I have for December month end. And not December month end because the Christmas is the 25th. And if you're going to give somebody something for the Christmas, like a little grocery package, you want to give them days before Christmas. You understand? You can't get after Christmas. Because you want, if them even have a Christmas dinner, that's luscious and luxurious Christmas dinner they fi eat, at least them can pull a tin of sardine, a tin of mackerel, or a boiled piece of saltfish with some butter bean or a baked bean. If them even gonna eat it with bread, if them no want boil 2 flour dumpling or a cooked rice, yes, you did make them have that. So them sure have something to eat for the Christmas. It might not be the regular Christmas settings, but what? You never have none before and something provided for you. Give God thanks. You understand? So that are the settings. At least 10 to 12 grocery bag at probably a minimum $5,000 to $6,000 value. So it's like a halfway cut off what we would normally give. You understand? One person. Alright? And as you know, I'm going to reach out to the 5 or the 6 person that I have reached out to before. And then I look some another 6 or 5 to make up the number to that. So bless upon yourself and don't give me, as I said, me give back to the needy. The cash app there, the $ Charms and Trends. If you don't have a cash app or you don't have a Zelle, although the Zelle is not pinned, you can reach me upon 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. But remember now, it's not a charity. You're not born for saying nothing. It's a festive season and probably you want to gift me. You understand? Say buy one water, or buy one peanut or something, or buy 2 snow mint. That's the way to gift me. But I use the gift and give back to the needy, not the greedy. Me can buy a juice, cripple out the can buy a water. And as me tell them, I plan to extend the 1 month supply of a meal each day. So me I could go right through the Christmas with him. Right? So when you support the channel, that's where it goes. When I watch the ads, or if you send something come as a gift, we give back the gift. Bless upon yourself and stay safe. It's what? I think it's month end Friday. I will still have another Friday to come before month end. Today is the 22nd. Today is the 22nd. Yeah, we still have another Friday before month end Friday. So just stay safe and big up on yourself. I'm out. What the sound of my nose? I'm out.